are 3 Youkain ceiling fans. This one is around 52 inches, it's in front and I think it's on high speed. These two back ones are in medium or low speed and they're around 42, 44 inches. These ones have around, I think they have some bent blade, and which confuses me, which makes me think that these fans are cheap. This restaurant is less than a year old, I think, or 1 year old at least. Anyway, before this fan used to be in reverse before, but they fixed it. Anyway, thanks for watching.